This is a demonstration of CallLock, a new Cydia tweak that finally provides a solution to your iPhone 4's faulty proximity sensor. CallLock can manually or automatically lock your iPhone screen while in a call. This will prevent your cheek from accidentally dialing, muting, holding, or hanging up during a conversation. In manual mode, CallLock overrides the default end call action of the power button to instead lock the screen. In auto mode, CallLock will automatically lock the screen as soon as a call is connected. You can download CallLock from the Cydia store for only 99 cents.